Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn on driving mode on Google Maps, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn on driving mode on your Google Maps on your phone, first open up your Google Maps application. And after opening your Google Maps application, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see a profile picture icon available for us over here at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see the settings option available for us over here just below your data in maps, where I'm tapping. Tap on settings and you land on this interface. Now you can see over here you'll be required to scroll down, and after you land over here you can see the navigation settings option available for us. When we scroll down, tap on navigation settings, and over here again we'll be required to scroll down a bit where you can find the Google Assistant settings. Tap on Google Assistant settings. Now in order to turn on driving mode on Google Maps, you can see there is a driving mode, and at the right side of that there is a toggle icon available for us. Tap on the toggle icon at the right side of the driving mode, and then your driving mode on your Google Maps will be turned on or enabled. And this is how to turn on driving mode on Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.